Hello students, as you are informed earlier, your exam pattern or your exam format has been changed a little. Okay, so you should know how to upload your answer sheet for the coming up exams. So as the first step, what you have to do is you have to download an app from Play Store which is called OneNote. Okay, that is visible on screen. You can find on screen close to that app called Meet. You have an icon that is visible, and that is for OneNote. Okay, that's what you have to download from Play Store as the first step. Okay, then you can continue with the steps which you need for uploading your answer sheet. So as usual, your exam will be conducted via Teams app. Okay, so at the time of exam, what you will do is you have to open Teams app, and when you open it you can see how the channels where you are a member, that will be visible to you. So you have to choose your class exam channel. You know that your exams will be conducted, or the question paper will be posted in exam channel. For example, if you are in class 12K, your channel will be, for exam, your channel will be exam class 12K. If you're in class 11, that will be exam class 11K. So likewise, you have to choose that exam channel. Okay. So right now, what I have as the channel for me to write the exam is Learn Class Notebook, that is given as the second last option on the screen. So that is what I have to choose. Okay. And you have to choose your respective exam class channel. Okay. Now, when you click onto that, you will be getting a page like this. Okay, now you know that this is how you get for all exams. You will be getting an assignment which you have to open. Okay, so I have to open this assignment, and this is second term exam physics. Okay, so click on to that view assignment, and the next page will be open like this: physics exam and add work. Remember, as it is said, your exam pattern has been changed a little. So do not choose that add work option after you write the exam, after you give the exam. Don't upload your answer sheet using add work. That is what you have been doing till date, but that is not to be done. Okay. So keep that in mind. After exam is over, after you give the exam, when it is time to upload your answer sheet, do not choose the option add work. All right. Okay. Now physics exam, I have to click onto that to get the question paper. Okay. See. All right. See, when you open, so I have a few more pages which came up on screen, but for you, when you click onto that physics exam, what you will be getting is your particular exam channel. Okay. So for me, since I have chosen that learn class notebook, so I'll be getting option like this, but for you, these options will not be visible. For you guys, only your particular class channel option will be given, so you will not get confused. You just have to choose that alone. Okay, so for me it will be learn class notebook. That is what I have to choose, but you remember, you will be getting the name of your class exam channel which you have to choose. Okay, which you have to opt. All right. See, I can find my name, I can find the exam type of exam that I'm going to give. So you remember how I have chosen second term exam, isn't it? So for you, whatever be the exam, probably for you guys also the next exam will be second term. Okay, so whatever be the exam name that you have to choose. Okay, see, when you choose that exam name, the subject option also will be given to you. So mine is physics exam. Okay, this is the question paper which I get. All right, so I get a question paper like this for physics exam, and that is in the form of a PDF. All right, so I have to open the question paper. So it is not exactly a question paper. It is just one sample given to you. So what you will be getting on screen in that PDF will be a question paper. Okay. So since it is just for the tutorial that this is not a question paper, but you understand that this is how you will be getting the view of question paper. All right. So after that, you know what is to be done. You have to give the exam. You have to write the exam peacefully and you complete the exam on time. Okay. And then after which you have to come to the same page from where you have opened that PDF file to view the question paper. But remember, after writing the exam, you know that you have to like scan your answer sheet using either doc scanner, adobe scanner. So whatever be the app that you use, you have to scan your answer sheet. And when you scan your answer sheet, you remember one thing, that keep the answer sheet properly. Okay, so it should be very much clear, it should be readable, plus you keep the answer sheet properly and scan. Otherwise the problem is, suppose if any of the pages is upside down, the teachers will not have the provision to rotate and they will not be able to evaluate the question paper properly. Okay, so be very careful when you scan the answer sheet. You keep the paper straight, and when you scan, you make sure that the camera icon on your phone, okay, that also should be straight, so that you will be getting the proper way of scanning your answer sheet. Okay, so after it is done, you have to save it as a PDF file. Okay, so that is the usual process. You know how it is. Now after the exam is over, after you scan the question paper, after you save it as a single PDF file, it might have been saved in your device. So right now, remember, I'm using a mobile phone to show you this tutorial. Okay, so those are using mobile phone, this is the procedure. Okay, now after the PDF is saved, the next option is you have to choose that file, isn't it? So now see, just click onto that page and you will be getting the option like this. At the bottom, don't you see that pin icon as a fourth option? Okay, close to that camera, microphone, that speaker, you get a pin that is to attach the file. Click on to that. And when you click onto that, you will get your documents open like this, which you have already saved in your device. Your answer sheet also had been saved like that. So I have to choose a PDF. Okay, so for the time being, I'm just choosing one of the PDF files. For example, invitations and replies. If that is my answer sheet, I have to choose that. When I choose that, I'll be getting an option like this. Be very careful. Please listen to this very carefully. I have an option like this. Insert file as attachment or printout. So do not choose attachment option. Don't do that. Instead, you have to choose the option insert file as the second option, printout. Okay. See, very quickly your answer sheet has been uploaded. See, and make sure that when you scroll down, you can find that you have got it till the last page. See, you can make sure whether you have done it properly or not. So for that, after your file has been sent like this, you please scroll till the last page of the answer sheet, so that you can be assured that your answer sheet has been uploaded properly. But then the process is incomplete. Okay, it is not at over. So don't think that after you do this step, after you follow this step, it is all done with. No, one more thing is left out. For that, you have to go to the previous page from where you have taken this physics exam question paper, or that option. Okay, on the top right hand corner, you can see turn in option. That means you have to turn your paper in. Only then the complete procedure, or else the procedure will be completed. Okay, so you click on to that turn in option given on the top. Okay, so this shows that you have uploaded your answer sheet successfully. Okay, now one more thing is there. Suppose if by mistake you have sent or you have uploaded the wrong answer sheet. Okay, you had physics exam and by mistake you might have uploaded your chemistry answer sheet instead of physics answer sheet. So again, don't worry about it, don't get panic stricken. you have an option on the top where you chose that turn in option. Now what is visible to you? Undo turn in, isn't it? So if you want to change it, you can opt that undo turn in, and after that you will be getting another chance to turn in your correct answer sheet. I hope it's clear. Okay, so that also is the option which you have been following so far. I'm just reminding you of the same thing. Okay, now as it is said earlier, right now this is using a mobile phone that I have taken this video. But then if you have a system at home, if you have a laptop, if you have a desktop, I guess you will find it more comfortable. Comparatively, it will be easier for you. Okay, so in mobile phone, you have one or two steps more, but not that complicated. Okay, but then like if you have a system, you can opt that at the time of exam, so that will be easy for you to understand and you to operate. Okay, so anyways, this is a procedure, and this is how you have to upload your answer sheet. I hope it's clear to you, and in case if you have any more doubts regarding the same, please contact your concerned class teacher, and you will be getting further clarifications. Okay, so thank you all.